What is ESG?
In today's world, earning profits alone is no longer enough. Companies are expected to be responsible, ethical, and sustainable. This approach is known as ESG. ESG stands for environmental, social, and governance. In simple terms, it measures how a company operates with respect to the environment, people, and ethical management practices. Environmental focuses on reducing carbon emissions, using renewable energy, managing waste and water responsibly, and minimizing climate-related risks. Caring for the environment ensures long-term sustainability. Social looks at how a company treats employees, customers, and communities, including workplace safety, fair wages, diversity, data protection, and community development. Companies that care for people build stronger relationships and long-term value. Governance focuses on transparency, strong leadership, ethical decision-making, anti-corruption policies, and protecting shareholders' rights. Good governance builds trust and stability. Today, investors look beyond short-term profits. They prefer companies that manage risks, create long-term growth, and act responsibly. ESG is not just a trend, it is the future of responsible business, profit with purpose.